With my Excel spreadsheet open, on the top of the screen, here is the add-in for ConnX. By selecting ConnX, I have various options of using existing connections, creating my own connection using a wizard, or looking at the ConnX data pane of my existing external data. So let's start from the beginning. Let's create a new connection. By selecting my data dictionary that I've already created, I select that data dictionary. I put in the user ID and password that I have used for security reasons. And then from that point, I can say select data. So by selecting the data, these are the tables that are associated with that CDD file. So I'm going to choose one table, and then I'm going to select the source SQL statements. Or I could just let it do a straight import of the data, but I want to do some querying on the data. I want to take these three tables and actually join them together to create a more significant report. So from this, clicking this option here, then there's the query building tool that is a part of the ConnX function. The tables are listed here. By double clicking the tables, they will bring them over to my work area. And then I will start selecting the fields that I would like to be a part of my report. So by selecting a few and then using the key fields to join tables, I'll just click on them and they will automatically connect to it. And I will continue to choose the fields from the second table. And then I will use the key from this table to join the third table.